Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Parker, and I am a consultant here at Solved. My focus is on Revenue Cloud and all of the capabilities that it has. Are clunky quoting processes slowing you down? Do you want to give your sales team the tools they need to create accurate quotes faster? Of course you do. That's why this video we're going to talk about how you can control the quoting journey, focus on crucial areas for optimization. Let's get started. Okay, the main area that we're going to be focused on today is the quote line items view on the quote record. This is where a lot of modifications can be made to enhance the experience. We're going to look at individual quote lines, how they can be modified, and also quote summaries. So the first area that we want to take a look at is the ability to have a sidebar displayed with specific information. We can have a image displayed. We could have the product description. We could have more product details, pricing details, and allow for this to be very detailed in the information provided to the customer or to the user outside of the fields visible here. We want to keep this area as clutter-free as possible. We can also see specific attributes if this product has attributes that have been set. So, how do we modify this? If we go up here to the wrench, to the gear icon, we can click Edit Page. It will bring us to the page layout here. If we come over and scroll over this quote line items, we'll see that we have a number of display columns. These display columns are going to be what is displayed here within the quote line items. We can also decide whether or not we want to show the side panel when the user clicks a record. And we can even select default detail fields to display. In this case, we already have set this up based on the example I was showing before. So that's step one. Step two is we can also take a look at this quote summary. So come back to the page itself. We can see a quote summary here at the bottom. If I expand this, we can get some more details, even expand further for grouping specifics on the product selling. So if we want to modify this as well, let's navigate back to that page. We'll scroll up here and there will be a blank box. Once you click on this box here, you're going to be able to see the transaction summary. Does it expand by default? Display total price breakdown. You can select specific fields. The footer fields are going to be what are displayed here. The body fields are going to be displayed. Again, default values have been displayed here. Great. I know the setup might seem small, but having the appropriate fields and information accessible to users within Revenue Cloud is key. They'll be able to have their quoting experience accelerated with the information provided. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Are there other areas of Revenue Cloud you have questions about? We're here to help answer them. Please like and subscribe to this video for more Revenue Cloud information. We'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.